Hosts file. The hosts file can sometimes redirect domain names. Open the hosts file. Location varies depending on your OS, and check if there are any entries related to link to roblox.com. If there are suspicious entries, remove them, with caution. Network adapter settings. Right-click on your network adapter in Settings to Network and Internet, Windows, or System Preferences to Network, Mac. Go to Properties and ensure Obtain DNS Server Address automatically is selected. Reset network settings. This resets all network configurations, potentially fixing the DNS resolution issue. Be aware, this might also reset your Wi-Fi passwords. Search online for instructions on how to reset network settings on your specific operating system. Additional tips. Reinstall Roblox Studio. A clean reinstall can sometimes resolve underlying issues. Download Roblox Studio from the official website. Check Roblox status. Occasionally, Roblox servers might be experiencing issues. Check their status at link to status.roblox.com. Important note: messing with network settings and system files can be risky. Proceed with caution and back up important data before making any significant changes. If none of these solutions work, consider contacting Roblox support for further assistance. They might have additional insights specific to your situation.